Today I am reviewing Nanit Essentials Smart Baby Monitor with Floor Stand. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Nanit Essentials Smart Baby Monitor is one of the most advanced and thoughtfully designed baby monitoring systems on the market today. This isn't just a camera. It's a complete smart monitoring solution that helps parents stay connected, informed, and reassured about their baby's safety and sleep. Right out of the box, the Nanit Essentials comes with everything you need to set it up quickly and easily. You get the Nanit Pro Baby Monitor, an ASTM-certified floor stand for secure positioning, a small breathing band for babies aged 0 to 3 months, the Nanit Sound Plus Light Machine, and even a free trial of the Nanit Insights sleep plan. This makes it a complete bundle that adapts as your baby grows. One of the most striking features of the Nanit Essentials is its 1080p HD video quality. From anywhere in your home, or even across town, you can see your baby in crystal clear detail. Night vision ensures that even in low light, you'll get a sharp and bright view of your little one without disturbing their sleep. The monitor offers two-way audio, which is a real game changer for parents. You can not only listen but also speak to your baby directly through the monitor. This allows you to soothe your baby without entering the room every time they stir. It also includes split-screen capability, so if you have more than one child, you can keep an eye on both simultaneously. Safety and security are top priorities with Nanit. The system uses 256-bit AES encryption and two-factor authentication, ensuring your baby's data stays private and protected. You can also add multiple caregivers, share access securely, and even share moments directly with family members through the companion app. Another standout feature is breathing motion monitoring. This uses a sensor-free system that works in conjunction with the Nanit breathing band for infants under 3 months old. The monitor alerts you if breathing motion is interrupted, giving parents peace of mind, especially in those critical early months. The Sound Plus Light Machine included with the bundle is another thoughtful touch. It offers 11 soothing sounds and customizable night light colors, all controlled easily from the Nanit app. This helps create a calming bedtime environment for your baby, which is important for developing healthy sleep routines. Speaking of the app, the Nanit app is incredibly intuitive and powerful. Through it, parents can access live video, receive motion and cry notifications, check room temperature and humidity, and even view sleep history. The free trial of Nanit Insights offers advanced features such as auto-captured sleep data, custom notifications, and a sleep dashboard to track trends over time. The design of the Nanit Essentials is also worth mentioning. The floor stand is sturdy and ASTM certified for safety, and the monitor itself is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into any nursery decor. The compact design and wireless connectivity make installation simple, while the flexibility to move and adjust angles is a big plus for parents. For parents who value peace of mind, the Nanit Essentials goes beyond just monitoring. It gives them actionable insights and tools to improve their baby's sleep patterns while keeping them connected at all times. Whether you're a first-time parent or an experienced one, this baby monitor offers reassurance, safety, and convenience in one complete package. If you want a baby monitor that is more than just a camera, something that truly understands your baby's needs, then the Nanit Essentials Smart Baby Monitor with Floor Stand is a smart investment. It's not just about watching your baby, it's about creating a safer, calmer, and more connected parenting experience.